Hi folks, this is question 6. She buys the coat for 90, so we'll get 25% of that. You could do that in the calculator, or you might know already that it's 15. And then she sells it, so 90 plus 15 is equal to 105. The margin on the coat is the profit as a percentage of the selling price. Write down the profit, okay, so the profit of this coat, and hence find the margin. Well, the profit is 15. Put it over the selling price. Selling price is 105, and then we just always times by 100 to turn it into percentage. So you put that into the calculator. And we get 14.3%. Right, it's called scientific notation or standard form. So they want you to rewrite it. So they want you to make it into a number between 1 and 10. That would be 5.8 times 10. And then you see how many places you've moved it to decimal point. So you've moved it 1, 2, 3, 4 in there between the 5 and the 8. So 4. Here you'd make it into 3.6, and you've moved the decimal point 1, 2 places. So times 10 to the power of 2. It's a minus 2 because it's a 0 point number. It's a really small number, so you've moved the decimal point the opposite way, basically. So that's that. If you put those numbers into a calculator, you'll be able to change them either way. So right, this one. So find the distance traveled by light in 1 year. So 1 year. So we need they have it the speed in kilometers per second. So year is in years, obviously. So we want to change 1 year into seconds. So 1 year is 365 days multiplied by 24 hours in each day, and then times by 60 minutes in each hour, and then 60 seconds in each minute. So we multiply all them, and that tells us how many seconds there are in a year. Obviously very big. If you're to write it in standard form as we did in part B with the other numbers, it would be 3.1536 times 10 to the power of, and we've moved it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. So that's for 1 year. Now we're finding the distance. It's distance, speed, time question. So to get the distance, you do the speed multiplied by the time. Therefore, our speed is, to tell us at the top, it's 3 times 10 to the power 5. We're going to multiply that by the time. And the time is 3.1536 times 10 to the power of 7 seconds, okay? And then you multiply them two things together. You can use calculator. And it gives us that times 10 to the power of 12. And that's it. They want it in that form again after scientific notation or standard form, whatever way you want to call it.